Hello everyone. I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create various radios. Radios should be used inside of a radio group. Pressing a radio will check it and uncheck the previously selected radio, if there is one. When radios are inside of a radio group, only one radio will be checked at any time. If more than one item should be selected, checkboxes should be used instead. Radios can be disabled within a group to prevent interaction with them. Let's create the prototype. First, drag in a label. Enter grapes. Then, use the pen tool to draw a check mark. Change its line to transparent. Group the label and the check mark. Apply a selected style effect to the check mark. Change the line color to blue. Next, add a click interaction to the group. Select this. Set its selection group to 1. Duplicate the group. Enter strawberries. Duplicate the group again. Enter pineapple. Duplicate the group once more. Enter cherries. Then, remove the fill color from all the check marks. Preview the prototype. Click the radio. It should be selectable. Duplicate the page. Name it Label Placement. Delete all groups except the first one. Enter label at the start. Then place the check mark after the label. Duplicate the group. Place the check mark before the label. Duplicate the group again. Enter fixed width. Duplicate the group. Modify the label size and text. Place the check mark below the label. Duplicate the page. Change the page name to alignment. Change the label to align to the start. Select the check mark. Then drag in a rectangle to create a background. Set its selected style effect to a light gray fill color. Delete the bottom group. Duplicate the top group. Modify the label text. Align the check mark to the center of the label. Then change the checkmark's line color to blue in the first group. Delete its selected style effect. Then copy and paste the style effect to the background of the second group. Preview the prototype. When clicking the options, the color of the selected background changes. Duplicate the page. Change the page name to Justification. Then adjust the label size and text alignment. Then adjust the position of the checkmark. Delete other elements. Duplicate the group. Move the checkmark to the end of the group. Right-align the text. Then adjust its padding. Duplicate the group. Left-align the text. Remove the selected style effect from the checkmark in Group 1. Then change the checkmark's line color to blue. Set the checkmarks in the other groups the same way. Then add style effects to all the backgrounds. Preview the prototype. When clicking the options, the corresponding option is selected and the style changes. Duplicate the page. Change the page name to Deselecting Radios. Change the selected interaction of all groups to toggle. Preview the prototype. Click the items, and you can switch the selection. Duplicate the page. Enter Custom. Then we delete all elements except one checkmark. Drag in a rectangle to create the background of the radio. Set it as a rectangle with a gray border. Place it at the bottom. Then add a selected style effect. Also add a selected style effect to the checkmark. Group them. Set a selection group. Duplicate the group. Then add a click interaction. Select this. Set the first group as the default selection. Preview the prototype. When clicking the options, they should be selectable. Duplicate the page. Change the name to Shadow Parts. Then adjust the selected style effect. Change the fill color to blue. Remove the border. Adjust the checkmark's selected style effect. Change its border color to white. Copy and paste the style effect to another group. Preview the prototype. When clicking the options, you can see the selected style changes. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.